Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore team collaboration with Slack workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Slack account. Navigate to the channel where you want to enhance team collaboration. Click on the lightning bolt icon located in the message input box. Select Workflow Builder from the drop-down menu. Once the Workflow Builder opens, click on Create. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your workflow. Decide on the workflow's trigger by selecting Add Trigger. You can choose from a variety of options such as New Channel Member or Scheduled. Click on Add Step to see the available options. You might choose to send a message, create a form, or even add approvals. If you select Send a Message, specify the channel where the message will be posted. Draft the message to clearly communicate what you want to convey to your team. If you want team input, consider adding a form step. Select Create a Form and define the questions you want to include. After setting up the form, ensure that it suits your team's needs. Click Save to finalize the addition of your step. Continue adding steps if necessary by repeating the process. Once you are happy with your workflow's configuration, click on Publish. Your workflow will now be active and ready to enhance team collaboration. Monitor how your team is engaging with the workflow over time. Make adjustments as needed to optimize the process. Encourage team members to provide feedback on the workflow's effectiveness. Regularly review and update the workflow to keep it aligned with your team's changing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.